Hello everyone, today I'll give you a quick unboxing of the Craftsman compact multimeter kit. Model number is 82146. Um, with this model you also get a bonus AC voltage detector included, valued at $9. Um, so in the front we have a few descriptions of the item with the model number and the item itself seen through the plastic. This is hard plastic. Um, then you have other key features of the item listed in the back. Okay, let's go ahead and open this item. Alright, go. Anything else? Okay, that's it inside the package. Starting off, we have the user's manual hidden inside the covering. Put that to the side. We have the bonus AC voltage detector. This supposed to use a battery, a 2 AAA. I'm gonna see if I can open it. I guess it goes from the top. Well, I'm gonna open it in a few minutes. You have the leads for detection. Okay, the red for positive, black for negative, and the 2 pins with plastic. Okay, put that to the side. And the detector itself. So we have the voltmeter itself, the nice display. We have here the various dials. We have AC, DC current. We have ohms, right? And the leads to plug in. And we have a kickstand in the back for its stand, so you can see very well. Okay. So you have the AC voltage detector. To insert the battery, you need to pry open the top here. To do that, you're gonna need a flathead Phillips screwdriver. So gently, you're gonna insert it to this little notch here, and gently just pry it, push it up, and it should come off, and you're exposed to the hole. All right. And let's get some battery here. And I have 2 batteries, AAA. You're supposed to drop it in. Positive should be going down, like so. Like so. Let's put that back in. Alright, so you have the multimeter and you need to install the battery on here. I believe 2 AAA, 2 AA, and this entire thing is covered in plastic, this plastic covering, so you need to first remove that. Right, if you just go gently, and it should come out. Here we are. It's a nice little small device now. Without the plastic. And so once the cover is taken out, you have two of these screws, one down here. This opens the bag for a fuse box. So if your fuse is blown for whatever reason, you'll be able to replace it by taking out this screw here. And the one up here is for the battery compartment. So we're gonna go ahead and open that, and it should slide up and out. And you're gonna need a 9-volt battery here. So let's get that 9-volt. So we're gonna install this 9-volt battery. Okay. Now I'm gonna go the other way. Okay, it's installed. I'm gonna put the make sure it's off. It's in off position, so you don't want any problems. I'm so stupid. Okay, once that's screwed in, if you turn it on, it should light up, right? The numbers are there. Okay, turn that off, and let's put the cover back on. It's a nice cover. Push it all the way in. Now it's back. The kickstand. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is put it back, and we're gonna put the leads back on. Okay. We can have two batteries here. And we're gonna measure their voltage. We're gonna put it on. So we have BAT, that's for battery, and put it on 1.5 volts. These are 1.2, I believe, each. Actually, this one doesn't even say. This is a Chinese battery, rechargeable. You know, so this is 1.2. So I guess both are 1.2. These, since they are AAA, they're standard pretty much. Okay, I hope they are. And we're gonna go ahead and the yellow one's supposed to be dead. Well, you know what? Let's do the orange one first. Yeah. Wow, I guess this is dead. And this one? This actually reads more. That's nice. Okay, and let's try a AAA battery, AA battery. this is supposed to be a new battery, so voltage on here is 1.5 negative. Pretty much right. 1.34. So that's a new battery, and that's how you test the battery. So I'm gonna show you how the AC volt works, or the alternating current works, like your outlet or whatever. I have this computer cable, power cable, connected to my outlet and coming out, so I can show you the testing. So first I'm going to show you that there is power on here by putting it on VAC alternating current. Put it on, so you want to put it on max volt, so 600, and we're gonna take the red and black out and put it on each of these. So as you see, 120 watts. So basically that's our outlet output, right? It works. That's how you would test that. And you have the AC voltage detector, right? And this is a funny little device because you gotta be careful, because you have to make sure before you test this on anything that you want to actually test it on, you want to press it into something that you know is a working outlet, right? So if not, it gives you the readings will be wrong and stuff. So make sure you go ahead and plug this into a working outlet first, and it goes off the light and the sound. Then go and test onto the device that you want to test it on. And also, even though this is supposed to fit, sometimes some outlets are too small to insert it into, so keep that in mind. Because of the plastic covering it, it's a little. But let me go ahead and show it to you here. As you can see, I have the cable here and the detector, and that's what it's supposed to do. The noise, the sound, there's power. All right. I guess that's the negative. It's the positive. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please rate and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up.